GKN Legazpi is a GKN facility placed in Legazpi that produces high-precision forgings for automotion powertrains. The output rate is 1 part every 2 seconds with a highly automated process. The quality of these parts was assured by a control plan that was divided into 2 steps. A first piece pass-off in CMM given by an expert in a metrology lab and frequential checks done by machine operators with manual gauges on the shop floor. In this context, a quality improvement project was launched. There were 4 key challenges for this project. The first one was to get complete information of the part. At this point, scanning technology was necessary to achieve over 2 million points. The second point was to increase the accuracy of the measurement on the shop floor. Point number 3 was self-certification by the operator. This is no need of an expert to launch the measurement and translate the final report. And point number 4 was traceability.
The history of GKN in Legazpi starts 25 years ago for us, so it's a historical customer for us. We started the project with some standard software solution, but this standard software solution was not able to guarantee the main objectives. And this was the reason and the definition that start with the development of what we call SK inspection software.
The development of this technology has had a positive impact not only on Legazpi facility, but also on other GKN plants in which has been already applied. The point that it can be used for different types of components means providing GKN with a powerful tool on contactless measuring on the shop floor. And this is aligned with group strategy.
It's been now over 6 months with the scanner in series production, and the balance has been very positive. We have achieved 2 major goals. Number 1, on productivity, a 4% improvement, especially relevant when you consider that over 50% of our portfolio is SX innovations. On the other hand, at the same time, we have obtained a 20% reduction on scrap.